Have a flat bicycle tire? Slime's Deluxe Tire Tackle Kit helps you easily repair and fully inflate your bicycle tire. Part 1. How to repair your tube with the peel and stick patches and tire levers. Step 1. Using the included tire levers, work one side of the tire off the rim, then remove your injured tube. Step 2. Take the metal scuffer and scratch up the area around the tube puncture. When you're done scuffing, your tube should feel rough to the touch. Step 3. Wipe the newly scuffed area clean and dry. The drier the area, the better the patch will stick. Step 4. Peel the backing off the patch and press it firmly over the puncture. Smooth out any wrinkles and make sure no air is trapped under the patch. Check that the edges are completely pressed down and your tube is ready to use. Part 2. How to install the tire shields. Give your injured bicycle tire extra protection by applying a tire shield to the inside lining of the tire at the puncture site. Step 1. If possible, remove the puncturing object from your tire. Step 2. Make sure the inside of your tire is clean and dry. Then simply remove the backing from the peel and stick tire shield and firmly press it against your gash. Keep the shield centered over the tear to ensure the tire has maximum support. Step 3. Insert the tube into the tire in preparation to air up. Part 3. Airing up your bicycle tires with CO2. Step 1. Twist the CO2 cartridge into the CO2 inflator head. As you finish tightening, the CO2 head will puncture the cartridge seal. Step 2. Press the CO2 inflator head onto your Schrader or Presta valve stem. Step 3. Slightly twist the CO2 cartridge counterclockwise to start inflation and tighten it back onto the inflator head to shut it off. CO2 cartridges get cold, so be sure to save the reusable sleeve for future finger protection. You are all set to ride.